When you think about the bit XOR exclusive OR operation, is this coming to your mind? Some crazy symbols and some crazy expressions? Or this coming to your mind? Also, crazy number, crazy mathematical operation. So today I would like to share how I visualize the XOR operation in my head. So here's the things start. I was doing the homework in the CSAPP. So here's how bits XOR supposed to be like. So the bit XOR take 4 and 5 and get 1. You have to implement this function using only the tilde and the AND operator. Let's give an example how that 4 and 5 looks in the big pattern. So I have a website here, and so I choose decimal to binary. So 4 to convert to binary is 100. So that's 5 and 101. Okay, let's write it down. It's like 100. So XOR 101. So the XOR operations that there's only 1 in one side of it. So 0 and 1, there's only one 1 on this side. So this gets 1. And so the second column, there's 2 0, no 1 at all, so gives. And this column, there was 2 1, and it's also illegal, so it's 0. So the end result is 001. That's how XOR work. Okay, so let's go back to the function definition here. So what is bits XOR? How should you implement using only tilde and AND? So here's how I would like to think about it. For bit XOR, let's write out the behaviors. Let's say we got 1 and 1, and let's say 1 0 and 0 1 and 0 0. Okay, so the bit XOR operation saying that either one of them is 1, the other one cannot be 1. Following this logic, all 1 will be excluded. So this part will be remain. Now let's go back to the XOR operation. Either one of them is true. So 00 is not true, right? So we also would like to exclude this part. Okay, the intersection of the two parentheses, the red one and blue one, is the result of XOR. So here is it. Now let's go back to the code to see how I implement. Okay, now I go back to the code and let's just delete this line. So the first variable is this red closure, this part. So I will give it a name called except all true, right? Because all true is this part, okay? So except all true. So what is all true? All true is X and Y. That's all true, right? What is except all true? It's the negation of it, okay? So this is the except all true. So this is this part. Okay, now we look at the blue part. This is what they call except all false, right? We have 0 0. That's all false. So we exclude all false. So it's this part. So we now have except all false. Suppose this is false. So negation of X and negation of Y. This is all false, right? This is all false. And we don't want that. We want to accept all false. So except is this one. Now we got this. And the result is this part. So this is the set intersection of it. So return except all true and the intersection with is set or false. And that's our result. Now let's go back to here. Let's run the test, make one, and run the B test. So the bit XOR have score. So that's how I think about it. From this mysterious operation and symbols, we got this, except all true and except all false. We take the intersection of two and we got the bit XOR, the middle part of it. Thanks.